Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Arpeggio G major for grade 2 ABRSM. So first of all, for grade 2 we will have right hand by itself and then left hand by itself. Right hand, you start on G, number 1 G, number 2 B, number 3, your finger 3 D, and then switch to G, number 1 2 B, 3 D, and then 5 G, and then go down 3 D, 2 B, 1 G, switch 3 D, 2 B, and 1 G. So you have to pay attention on the fingering. Now I'm going to show you the left hand, starting from G, number 5, 3, B, 2, D, 1, G, switch 3, B, 2, D, and 1, G, and then go back, 2, D, 3, B, switch, 1 on G, 2 on D, 3 on B, and then 5 G, like so. Yeah, pay attention to the fingering. Alright, now I'm going to play from beginning to end, starting from right hand and then left hand.